You guys recognize this? You get a new home, you head into the garage, you find this perfect white wall, ready to organize all your tools and your toys. Just picture it now, your bikes, your power tools, outdoor power equipment, all perfectly arranged on this beautiful white canvas.
But inevitably, your garage is gonna end up looking like this.
Yeah, and you're gonna convince yourself over and over again, you've got a system, but there's actually a better one.
Yup, this is it.
This is the Ryobi Link modular storage system.
And within this creative collection of carport contraptions,
Carport.
it started with a C.
Gotcha.
There is a solution for any possible garage storage need.
There is, and it all starts with this.
This is the Ryobi Link System wall rail. It is 6.5 inches tall, 33 inches wide, and it can support 75 pounds per linear foot. It's on this rail that all of the Ryobi Link storage solutions will mount.
From here, we start adding hooks, racks, and bins.
Let's start with something simple. There it is. Each hook, rack, and bin will all attach to the wall rail like this.
And for additional security, you can just add a screw into the center to hold it in place.
This S-hook is perfect for long-handled garden tools like this rake.
Or your outdoor power equipment.
Of course, there are many other options as well. This is the utility hook. That large pair of hooks is perfect for a garden hose.
Or an extension cord.
But that's not all. There's also power tool hook. It's perfect for, you guessed it, that rake again.
Or crazy pitch. How about we actually put a power tool on it?
Or a string trimmer.
But what about bigger tools?
Large tool hook.
Genius. Again, very versatile. However, I don't think it's gonna hold up my bike.
I got you. Bike hook.
That'll work.
It doesn't matter what you have to hang up there. There is a hook for anything, like the standard hook set, the screwdriver set.
For hanging up all your pliers, you know?
Obviously, there is literally a hook for even hanging your hat. This is the reversible J-hook, which is perfect for hats, gloves, and gardening equipment.
And if you have a lot of gardening tools, there's even a double hook.
That will allow you to hang multiple tools in one space, but still allow you to take one of them off without removing the other. See?
Nice. But for those really, really big jobs, we got this. This is the multi-purpose hook. It's large enough to accommodate even this ladder.
And
Well, that's pretty impressive already.
you said it was multi-purpose.
Okay, so it could also hold this level.
Okay, well actually, I have a better place that you can put that level. For small things, we have the super handy single organizing bin. Plus, we have a double bin organizer.
Ah, for organizing double stuff.
Right. No snacks in the garage.
But, I have 7 more bags.
Okay, well, we do have this huge tool crate, which is not perfect for, well, who am I to judge?
Hey, I'm gonna need those cookies back.
Do you want ants? Because that's how you get ants.
Oh, yeah.
Speaking of, if you have Oreos all over your garage, not a problem. The cleaning shelf, a new addition to the Link system, makes cleaning up easy.
Now, I realize a lot of us have a lot of power tools. For that, we have this. The tool organizer shelf, which as you can see, organizes all your tools, and it's a shelf.
Genius.
Right?
We also have a storage hanging shelf. But I don't think we have enough space for both of these.
But that's where the wall rails really shine. If you need more space, you just add another rail.
Careful with those snaps, bud.
Sorry.
All right, now that we have an additional wall rail, we have twice the room.
Yep, so much room for activities. Each rail is designed to easily align with the other ones, so you can add as many as you need.
Which means we now have more room to store our Ryobi tools.
This is the Ryobi 18-volt 1+ tool hook, which if you're a Ryobi fan already, you probably recognize it as the stem on their batteries, which means you can take any of their 1+ tools and store them right on top.
And if you're anything like us, you have a ton of batteries too. This is the 1+ battery shelf, which can hold any of your batteries from a 1.5 all the way up to a 9 amp hour, which means you always have power nearby. Our rails are getting a little full here.
They do that pretty quickly. However, even if they're full, Thanks to the new Ryobi reversible tool hook, you can actually place it on top of one of the hexagons instead of the middle, giving you even more room. Now I want you guys to think about the possibilities here. Let's say that you have a bunch of sports stuff that you want your little kids to be able to reach. Well, all you gotta do, add some more rails down low where they can reach them.
Speaking of, let's keep our outdoor power equipment away from the kids, like over there.
Okay. A little notice would be nice.
Okay, now that our OPE stuff is all organized, it's time to find a home for our 40-volt batteries.
See, now we'll always have the power we need to get the yard done too. You know, looking at this layout, that scooter seems a little out of place. Why don't we move that down to the far end along with all of our bikes? Okay, see, we're looking pretty good now.
Okay, so the system is clearly designed to adjust to you and your stuff.
Now, if I have everything organized on my wall in the garage, what if I want to take this stuff with me somewhere, like my tools to a job site or maybe our toys to the park?
Okay, well that's where the Ryobi Link mobile storage comes in. This is the Ryobi Link standard toolbox. It has a 50-pound load capacity, IP65 water and dust resistant, built-in accessory and bit storage under the lid, but most importantly, it clicks onto the wall rails or onto more boxes. That actually looks kind of messy in there.
Yeah, but Ryobi just announced these new foam inserts. Essentially, you put this into the standard toolbox, outline your tools, cut them out, put them in place, boom, custom insert.
For your bigger tools, this is the Ryobi Link medium toolbox. It has an 80-pound load capacity and all the same features as the standard box. And finally, to help you move it all around, this is the Ryobi Link rolling toolbox.
So as you can see, no matter what you need to store in your garage,
Or where you may need to take it.
Ryobi's linked modular storage system has you covered.
The only limit is your imagination.
And to help you with your imagination, Ryobi even designed and built an online custom storage builder so you can lay out everything however you think you want it, and you can even click through and order the pieces that you chose at homedepot.com.
So there you have it, the complete Ryobi Link modular storage system. And for what Ryobi tells us, this is just the beginning. There are even more solutions on the way.
Yep, Ryobi told us we can expect 50 items in the Ryobi Link system by the end of 2024. And we're gonna be sure to tell you about every one of them, so be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it.
You know, okay, so looking at this system, I feel like there's really only one major flaw.
Oh, what's that?
When you use a tool, you have to put it back where you found it.
Yeah.
So,
I don't think this is gonna work for me.
Robert!